Hey everyone, thanks for joining us on another one of these podcasts with Wichita area real estate experts. I am Lesley Hodge with eXp Realty, and my guest this afternoon is Tracy Pryor with Choice Home Warranty. So Tracy, thanks for joining us this afternoon.
Absolutely, thanks for having me.
Absolutely. So for people that aren't familiar with the home warranty, because I know David and I think that this is like one of the most important parts of buying a house. So for people that don't know what a home warranty is, give them a little description of what a home warranty is.
Yes, so a home warranty works quite a bit differently than what your homeowner's insurance does. When you purchase a home, you are required by your lender to implement homeowner's insurance, which is going to cover your property in case there's fire, theft, acts of God, damage in that sort of way. And our home is typically one of the most important investments and largest investments that we ever make. And so a home warranty was created many, many years ago, nearly 30 years ago, to cover the major systems and appliances within the interior of the home. So for example, where your homeowner's insurance is covering things like a roof or hail damage or flooding, we're covering failures and breakdowns of, for example, your heating, your air conditioning, your plumbing, your water heater, electrical, all your major systems, as well as your appliances like your kitchen refrigerator, washer, dryer, built-in microwave. And for most people, when they get into their home, they have typically used a lot of their savings in order to put their down payment, pay their closing cost, and get in. And so a major system failure can be very devastating, especially if it's quickly after closing. And the home warranty is there to help you offset some of those costs and save you hundreds of thousands of dollars if you have to have something repaired or replaced.
You know, I was just thinking as you were talking about kitchen appliances, I know that like our stove is definitely getting way more of a workout than it usually does right now because we are home a lot and cooking, which we don't usually do. We're all about stimulating the economy and eating out. So
Yes.
have you guys had a lot more calls with people that are having to be home with other repairs that they're needing done?
Oh, absolutely. We have definitely seen a spike in our claims, and we are preparing ourselves to deal with that. Because homeowners, a great majority of people are now working from home and spending a lot more time at home. So we're using our heating and air conditioning, we're using our kitchen appliances much more than what we normally would when all of us go to work and are gone all day. And so we have definitely with this, with this situation, we have seen an increase in claims on those appliances that are getting used much more frequently.
Well, and it's just such a nice peace of mind of knowing that if it does go out, all you have is one flat fee that you have to pay instead of, oh my gosh, now I have to get a new furnace. And, where we think it's so awesome. I know with your company it's $65 and there's some other companies out there, but it's just great peace of mind of knowing I just have to write a $65 check instead of fronting the money for a whole new appliance or a furnace or anything like that. I mean, we've used the heck out of our Choice Home Warranty.
Yes, and that brings up a really good point, because the home warranty is there to help save a lot of money when you have to have a major system replaced or repaired. The $65 with Choice Home Warranty is kind of a way to look at that is similar to like a deductible, but we call it a trade call fee. So when you do have a claim and a contractor comes out, you pay that contractor that $65 as soon as they arrive at the home. And then the contractor assesses whatever the problem is. And if there are additional non-covered items after that, then that would be, addressed with the homeowner. So to just give you an example, when I had my heating system replaced in my home, it was over 30 years old. And when it went out, there had to be some modifications and some things done to it in order to get it up to code, haul off the old one. So with my home warranty, I paid a little over $300 out of pocket to have the complete system replaced. If I would not have had a home warranty, Now my home was smaller, it would have been about $1,550. So it's just, especially in times like this when we're watching every penny that we're spending, we're not sure about some of our jobs. It is a really, it's a really great tool to have to give, especially a potential buyer, peace of mind, that they know something goes wrong, they're going to have, they're going to have a safety net there.
Well, I know that we try to get these negotiated in for every one of our buyers because we just feel like they're so important. As for sellers, are they able to get a home warranty that they're purchasing, like as they're putting their house on the market?
We have a really great program that is for sellers, and it's only for sellers that work with realtors. So if a seller is listing their home with you, then they can take advantage of a complimentary free seller's home warranty. It's no obligation to purchase it. It's basically a perk for listing their home with you and working with a real estate professional, a realtor. And it's $3,000 worth of complimentary coverage, and it works just like the buyer's home warranty would. If there's something that goes wrong with the plumbing, electrical, they can place a claim just like a buyer could. And it's absolutely a perk for working with a realtor.
That's awesome. What about people that aren't working with a realtor because they're not buying or selling right now? Do they still have the opportunity to purchase a home warranty?
Absolutely. If you are a homeowner and you do not have a home warranty, whether you are going through a real estate transaction or not, you can still get a choice home warranty. Order that directly through me or Lesley, and we can get you set up. And we also offer convenient monthly payment plans, and we have a plan to fit just about any budget. That home warranty becomes active and completely in full force with that first month's payment. So it is absolutely a no-brainer. It can save you hundreds of, or even several $1,000s down the road.
So let's say, I know when we're dealing with this with buyers, they're having a home inspection done so that we can show, let's go back to that furnace again, that the furnace was working when we had it looked at initially. So then when the furnace isn't working, it's really easy to determine that that wasn't a pre-existing condition. So how is that looked at, from a homeowner perspective, if they don't have a home inspection since they already own their house? Is there any type of time frame that it has to have been working before they can file a claim on those things?
That's a very good question. And what Choice Home Warranty does, if the homeowner is not going through a real estate transaction, we do put a 30-day hold on claims. So the first 30 days of your contract, you could not place a claim unless you could show you had prior warranty coverage up to that point. Now, Choice Home Warranty tries to offer certain promotions. Typically every quarter we do something differently. Right now we offer a complimentary month of coverage. So even though that customer is going to have a 30-day wait before they can place a claim, they're still getting a full year of coverage. Our contractors are our eyes and ears out there, and they are all very skilled and trained and able to look at something and see if it was obviously a pre-existing condition. I always tell homeowners to look at it like any other insurance policy. It is designed to cover the systems and appliances that are in good, safe working order at the start of the coverage. Don't wait until you think something is wrong to get your home warranty. You want to get the home warranty in place now while things are working the way they're supposed to be working. It's just like your car insurance. You wouldn't go out and purchase a wrecked car and then call your insurance agent and say, hey, can you fix this for me?
Well, if you could make that work, that would be awesome.
I know.
So on the contractors that are coming out, are they direct employees for Choice, or is it local contractors, or how does that work?
We contract with local contractors in the area, and we require that they carry insurance and that they have, vehicles and things that clearly mark that they're with a heating and air contractor or whatever contractor it is. So for example, when a homeowner places a claim with us, they're going to get notification from Choice Home Warranty who that contractor is and sorry, dogs are barking.
That's all
And they're
right.
they're gonna get notification as to who the contractor is. I'm so sorry.
You're fine.
Hush, guys. So they're gonna get notification who the contractor is, the phone number, and the address of the contractor as well, so that they're not being surprised. And one of the other things that I wanted to bring up, that we are getting rave reviews right now from our homeowners about how our contractors are practicing social distancing and being extremely courteous of what the homeowner is comfortable with when they do come into the home to service.
Yeah, it's a really trying time. I know, like when we're out showing houses right now, some people are super cautious. Other people, it's almost like it doesn't exist right now. But
Mm-hmm.
everybody's got a different comfort level of what they're comfortable being around. So that's great that they're taking that into consideration. And I mean, it's good for the contractors and it's good for the homeowners just to keep everybody safe, because
Absolutely.
it's such a wild card.
Yes.
What's happening right now. So, well, I think that that's awesome information. I know that we are so happy to have partnered with you. You've taken such an amazing, good care of all of our clients. And like I said earlier, our house is with you guys, and we just renewed it for another 6 years. So we're super happy. So if anybody that's watching this wants to talk to you about getting a home warranty, what is a good phone number for them to give you a call at?
You can reach me directly at 316-677-7267, or reach out to me on Facebook. It's Tracy Pryor, TracyPryor. Add me as a friend, message me. I can get you information, send you a brochure. And like I said, you do not have to be going through a real estate transaction to get your house covered. I keep my house covered. My daughter's house is covered. It's absolutely, you know, we've got an affordable plan for just about any budget right now.
Yeah, for just such a no-brainer that those were things that we're going to have done. I mean, just in the 3 years we've lived in our home, we've had a leaky toilet fixed. We've had the garbage disposal go out and be replaced. We've had the sewer line snaked. We've had a heat and air unit replaced because ours were from the 70s. It's just been such a huge savings for us to have that, and just good peace of mind that we don't have to come up with big chunks of change like what you're saying.
Absolutely.
So it's just a great product. So something else I think is super important for the realtors that are out there watching, they do have a PDF of the actual brochure. So if you guys are wanting a link to that PDF, get with Tracy or get with me, and you can send those to people that aren't comfortable looking at houses right now. But something else is I've had Tracy just bring me stacks of brochures. She's just dropped them off on my porch because usually I'm out running around anyway. So now she can just drop them off on your porch and still be social distancing.
Yes,
so,
absolutely.
And we're happy to help you with anything, you know, get you the link or get you a warranty if you're one of our clients or one of our friends. So any way we can help, we're happy to. So Tracy, I appreciate your time on this. And again, I appreciate everything you do for our clients. You're amazing to work with.
Thank you for having me today. And I'm sorry about the dog fiasco, but they're half Min Pin and half Chihuahua, so they're yappers.
They did great. I mean, what more did you expect? We were on here for a little while, so they only barked once. They did good. They need a treat.
It just shows everybody we're very real people in this situation right now. So
yep, we're all trying to make lemonade out of this.
Yes, we are.
All right, well, have a great afternoon, and I will talk to you soon because I've got a couple more orders I need to get placed for our clients.
Okay, thank you.
Take care. Bye.
Bye.